Good morning, friends. Today we are going to prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3 equals 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Taking LHS part, 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3 equals 9 by 4 into pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. So this can be written as 9 by 4 cos inverse x. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse x can be written as cos inverse x. But in the place of x, we have 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3. So sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. That means we can write pi by 2 minus cos inverse x equal to sine inverse x, or pi by 2 minus sine inverse x equal to cos inverse x. So from this we can write 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3 as 9 by 4 into sine inverse root over 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. Because sine square x plus cos square x equals 1, and we can write this in trigonometric functions, but in inverse trigonometric functions we have cos inverse x equal to sine inverse root over 1 minus x square. Okay? So from this we can write this as 9 by 4 into sine inverse root over 1 minus 1 by 9. So 9 by 4 sine inverse root over 9 minus 1 by root 9. Okay, 9 minus 1 by root 9. So that is 9 by 4 sine inverse root 8 by 3. That is 9 by 4 sine inverse root 8 can be written as, see here, root 8 can be written as 2 into 4. So root 2 into 2, that is 2 root 2. Okay. So root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So here 2 root 2 by 3. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 by 3, and this is your RHS part. Hence